Yeah, breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. You see that teacher, yeah? Her name is Keisha Thorpe. Okay? This is the World Teacher of the Year. And she is Jamaican. And we are going to talk about it because she just win $1 million for the best teacher in the world. Greetings, 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 and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV. And if this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you, hit that red subscribe button, leave a comment that's truthful, or don't say nothing. Give me a thumbs up, like, and share the content, ladies and gentlemen. I need to build up the channel, and I want you upon the Rastaman panel. We're talking about Keisha Thorpe of Maryland. Yes, me talk about Baltimore where people die for sure. Now, this is a teacher who devotes herself to helping immigrant students in Maryland. And she have just won $1 million prize, ladies and gentlemen. This is a beautiful, beautiful story. I'm telling you, the teacher herself is gorgeous, but I'm not talking about her looks. I'm talking about her heart, her soul, her mind, her positivity. Thorpe immigrated, yes, to the United States. She's also an immigrant people, yes. So Keisha Thorpe immigrated to the United States as a child, hoping for a better life than the poverty-stricken one that she was living in Jamaica. She is now a teacher in Maryland, and she has devoted herself in preparing young immigrants in succeeding just like she was prepared international recognition and $1 million she has just won via the Global Teachers Prize. In a sign of committing choice, the right teacher. Yes, Thorpe said that it's all about her student. This recognition is not about me, but about all the dreamers who work hard and dare to dream of ending generational poverty, she said in Paris, where the award ceremony was held via video conference. This is to encourage every little black boys and girls that, like me, they can be successful too, feeling amazing, and they're not supposed to be feeling marginalized and has their story like mine and felt like they never matter. Ladies and gentlemen, the Global Teacher Prize is organized by UNICEF, and the Verkey Foundation has awarded this community and committee and recognized her that she has worked as a English teacher from 12th grade who are English language learners in the Bladensburg, Maryland area. Thorpe is also founder of Food for Change, which supports immigrants, family who are having problems feeling themselves. Education is a human right, and all children should be entitled to have access to education, Thorpe said after her win was announced by the EMCs, or the MCs. French actress Isabelle Hooper. This is also for every teacher across the globe who show up every day in the classroom, the teacher, their student, teaching their student and transforming their life, she added. Every child need a champion, an adult who will never ever give up on them, who understand the power of connection and insist they become their very best that they can possibly be. And this is exactly why teachers will always matter. Teachers matter. Teachers matter. Thank you. Thorpe was selected out of more than 8,000 applicants and nominated from this year's award. The prize was first awarded in 2015 to recognize an exceptional teacher who has made an outstanding contribution to their profession. When Hooper asked how she felt after winning the prestigious award, Hope said she was overjoyed and amazed, added, "This validates everything that I have done in my life up to this point, and I just thank God for the moment." Thorpe works at the International High School at Langley Park, where more than 85% of her students are Hispanic and 95% identify as low income, according to the prize organization. The transformative power of education that Thorpe rallies and relies on to improve her student lives in something she experienced herself after graduating high school at the top of her class. She attended Howard University, a track and field scholarship. She now been teaching for 17 years. She made me realize what I'm capable of. A person, Karen Alleman, a former student of Thorpe, said when her teacher was named the finalist for the award. Previous winner of the Global Teacher Prize include village teacher Ranjish Dishal of India, science teacher Peter Tabich of Kenya, and art and textile teacher Andrea Zafoko of UK. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my elated and joyful moment right now of this week to announce such good news. A Jamaican-born teacher has been awarded the Teacher of the Year, ladies and gentlemen, and the prize is 1 million US. Listen to me. That is a great. Jano, I'm lost of words. Congratulations to Keisha Thorpe, yes, in winning the Global Teacher Prize. You are the best teacher of 2021, and I'm so elated because, like she says, people, teachers matter. Teachers do matter. You are going to teachers matter. So I'm Rastafari soldier, ladies and gentlemen of the Approach TV. I'm asking you, hit the red subscribe button and tell the truth. Other than that, don't say nothing. I'm more life, more joy, and more happiness. Yeah, keep it upful, keep it upful. That's our only happiness. Yagante. Right away, no delay. I saw the thing set up, people. So it's set up. Yagante, so it's set up.